Twitter displays distorted map of India on its website, shows J&K and Ladakh as separate countries, amid ongoing standoff with the center over compliance with new IT rules. Twitter stroked a fresh controversy on Monday by displaying a distorted map of India on the career section of its website. The distorted map appears on the Tweep Live section, depicted the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh as separate countries, detached from India. Following this, the central will reportedly issue a strike notice to Twitter. Sources said that the Union government will ask the microblogging site to remove the distorted map or else face actions. Telangana government to provide rupees 10 lakh financial assistance under CM Dalit Empowerment Program. Telangana CM K. Chandrasekhar Rao and all-party meeting has unanimously decided to send rupees 10 lakh financial assistance directly to the bank accounts of Dalit beneficiaries under the Chief Minister Dalit Empowerment Program. According to the Telangana Chief Minister's office, in the first phase, the assistance would be given to 100 families selected from each of the 119 assembly constituencies. For this, the all-party meeting under the chairmanship of Chief Minister K. Chandrasekhar Rao decided to earmark rupees 1,200 crore for the Chief Minister Empowerment Program and to give financial assistance directly to the bank accounts of the selected Dalit beneficiaries to their bank accounts, as was done in the case of Raitu Bandhu scheme. North Korea's history of secrecy over leaders' health. The health of North Korea's leader is typically a tightly held state secret in a nuclear-armed country dominated by the Kim family dynasty since its founding in 1948. Current leader Kim Jong-un, believed to be a 37 years old, sparked new speculation when in early June he appeared to have lost significant weight. State media made a rare mention of issue last week by quoting an unnamed Pyongyang resident who said everyone was concerned about the emaciated leader. Here are other ways that North Korea's government has handled reports about its supreme leader's health over the years. Center extends KK Venugopal's tenure as AG by 1 year. The central government has decided to extend the tenure of KK Venugopal as the Attorney General by 1 year, sources said on Monday. Though the Attorney General usually has a tenure of 3 years, when his first term as AG was to end last year, Venugopal has requested the government to give him a 1-year tenure, keeping in mind his advanced age. He is 90 years old. Emirates expects to resume Dubai-India flights from July 7. June 28, UAE flag carrier Emirates has announced that it expects to resume its Dubai-India flights from July 7 after operations have remained suspended in the wake of COVID-19 pandemic situation in the South Asian country. We are expecting to resume our flights from India to Dubai as from July 7th. We are waiting for the exact travel protocol and relevant permits from the government authorities. We hope to have more details soon, the airline said in response to query from a passenger on its Twitter account on Sunday. Odisha Health Minister urges Central to provide 6 lakh Covishield doses for June. Amid apprehension of the scarcity of Covishield vaccines, Odisha Health Minister Nava Das has written to Union Health Minister Harshvardhan urging him for urgent supply of 6 lakh Covishield vaccine doses to the state. Das urged the Union Minister to accolade an additional 6 lakh doses of the Covishield vaccines for the month of June to ensure smooth management of vaccination drives in the state. 4G Team Deathmatch Beta version. How to download, check out early access and more. The beta version of 4G Team Deathmatch has finally been released. Encore Games has earlier said to release its beta version on June 21st, but due to some reason, the developers could not release the beta version on this date. On Sunday, Encore Games tweeted that the beta version of 4G TDM mode has arrived and is available for download. However, there are very few slots available for the beta version. If you want to play 4G Team Deathmatch before its launch, you will need to download the early access version. The developers of the 4G game announced in April that Team Deathmatch mode would be available in beta starting June 21st. Staff reporter Simran Basu.